Why is nobody talking about Nnamdi Kanu?
The same people calling today telling me about police station in Anambra. That you killed my father and my mother. Did you not? And do you know how much I love and respect my father? You have no idea. And for you to take my father from me, I will destroy Nigeria. God is my witness. I will destroy Nigeria to the ground. You don't know me.
Born on September 25th, 1967, just when the Biafran War started, in Isiama, Afara, a small town in Abia State. He was born in a family of modest means, but his parents instilled in him a strong sense of pride and identity as an Igbo man. Kanu's early life was marked with a deep connection of his tradition and culture. Kanu was raised in a world where his people, the Igbos, were marginalized, oppressed, and silenced. The scars of the Biafran War, a brutal conflict that ravaged the Igbo people and left deep wounds, still lingered in him. His parents taught him that he was not just a Nigerian but an Igbo man with rich culture, history, and rich heritage. As Kanu grew older, he began to feel the weight of his people's suffering. He saw the poverty, the inequality, and the injustice that plagued his community. He saw how the rights, the cultures, and the very existence of the Igbos were disregarded, and he knew that he had to act. He began to speak out, to write, and to broadcast his message of hope, of freedom, and of self-determination. Nnamdi Kanu pursued his education in Nigeria and later in the United Kingdom, where he studied economics and politics. During his time in the UK, he began involved in activism, advocating for the rights of the Igbo people and calling for an independent state of Biafra. He was inspired by the likes of Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King Jr., and he saw himself as a champion of justice and equality. In 2009, Nnamdi Kanu founded the Radio Biafra.
This is Radio Biafra. We are transmitting live and direct to the entirety of humanity. It's a live presentation. My name is Nnamdi Kanu. I am the leader of the largest mass movement on the face of this very earth, by none, the glorious Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB. I am the director of Radio Biafra, that very platform that is responsible for arousing, or should I say, awakening the consciousness of the people right across the damnable zoological republic, that has made it possible for us this day to stand up to face our collective enemy, Fulani Janjaweedism. We have come to do that for which we have been born. We have come that Biafra may be restored.
A station that broadcast to Nigeria from London. The station became a powerful tool for Kanu to spread his message of independence and self-determination. He used this platform to critique the Nigerian government and to call for the restoration of the state of Biafra. Radio Biafra quickly gained popularity and it became a thorn in the side of the government. In 2014, Kanu founded the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, a movement that aimed to restore the state of Biafra. IPOB quickly gained momentum and it became a powerful force in Nigeria's politics. Kanu's message of independence and self-determination resonated with many Igbo people who felt marginalized and oppressed by the Nigerian government. Kanu's activism did not go unnoticed by the Nigerian government. In 2015, he was arrested and detained on treason charges. He was held in prison for over a year, but despite the challenges he faced, Kanu remained on his words and continued to call for the independent state of Biafra. In 2017, Kanu disappeared from public view after his home was raided by the military. His whereabouts remained unclear for over a year, and many feared that he had been killed or detained. But however, in 2018, Kanu re-emerged and he continued to advocate for the independent state of Biafra. He would not lose hope. He wanted to speak out, to write, and to broadcast his message even from the depths of his exile. Then, in 2021, Kanu was arrested again, this time in Kenya, and extradited to Nigeria. He was thrown into a prison cell, but even in the darkness of his cell, Kanu's spirit remained unbroken. He continued to speak out, to write, and to inspire his people.
And they know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. They are making money with insecurity. That's correct. They are making money with it. They know Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is this? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is this? I ask. That I give an order in the east and then you to counter it. Who is the I'm asking you.
His message of hope of freedom and of self-determination continue to resonate with the Igbo people. Kanu's story is a testament to the power of human spirit. It is a story of courage, of perseverance, and an unrelenting quest for freedom. It is a story that will inspire generations to come, a story that will ignite the flames of resistance, a story that will remind us that even in the darkest time, there is still hope. If you've listened to this story till now, I'm posting the full version on my YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe. The link is on my bio. Tell me in the comment section if you think that one day Biafra will be declared an independent state.
N'ihe a na-eme anyị na ọdịghị mma, ekunye agbagbu anyị, ege ebe a akpọ ejide ebe anyị na-azụ ahịa laa ya n'iyi. Ha nwa na onwe ha enweghị ihe ha pụrụ ime. Ha niile na-agbara ndị Fulani odibo.